Hello YC kids, how are you all? All amazing? I am super energetic to start this session. What about you all? How are you all doing? So kids, are you all excited to know more about present continuous tense? Yes? Amazing. Okay, I'll definitely tell you all about present continuous tense, but I want to repeat that question which was there in the video. What are you doing right now? You can share your answers in the form of action words. We all have learned action words, right? So for example, I can use an action word for me. I sit, I teach. So please use an action word for yourself and share your answers in the comment very quickly. What are you doing right now? You can simply tell me the action word, the action that you are taking right now. Write can be an action, write. Listen can be an action. Great. Okay kids. So let us begin with our today's session, present continuous tense. We are going to somewhere talk about the combination of is, am or are plus ing. So I know I had already told you how to use is, am, are, but today in this session we are somewhere going to use it in the connection of present continuous tense. So let us start the session and understand that when we can use is, am, are, right? Okay kids, so present continuous tense is used to show an action that is happening in the present, at the moment, right now. So if I am talking to you all right now, I am taking help of present continuous tense. I am talking to you all. Yes? Similarly, you are listening to me. I am sharing information. You are making notes. Oh my God, there are so many things. There are actually so many things to learn. So let us start with the session and let's see what we are going to learn in the session. Yes? Okay. Starting with the verbs. Okay kids, we have already understood that verbs are also called action words. Yes, we can call it with any name. Now when I'm talking about action word like go, it can be also in the form of going. It can be also in the form of walking. Can be also in the form of chirping, means by adding ing we are talking about ing form of action word. Now if you look at the screen, I've used 3 words here. Remember is, am, are. I also told you that they are helping verbs. Now what we are doing, we are taking help of is, am, are to actually form some sensible words. Basically, when we are talking about an action that is happening in the present, we take help from these 3 words is, am and are. To know more, let us continue and let's see. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Action word go plus ing becomes ing form of action words. Okay, for example, go plus ing equals to going, right? Okay. Similarly, walk, that is walk, plus ing becomes walking. Here is another example. Write, write, plus ing becomes writing. Yes? Laugh, that is an action, plus ing becomes laughing. So when we are talking about present continuous tense, that is how we are going to use the action word. That is how we are going to use the verb in the sentence. Laughing. Another word is sleeping, sleep plus ing. Then walking. I already gave you this example. Okay kids, I've shared some examples with you, but do you know how to use them in sentences? Sometimes one verb is not enough to complete a sentence. Let's have a look. I drinking milk. drinking is a verb, but this sentence is not correct. It's not creating the sense. So for that, am enters, or based on the subject is or are enters in the sentence. And what are they called? They are called helping verb. So with the help of helping verb is, am or are, sentence get a sense. I drinking milk is a wrong sentence, but the moment we added am in it, it became I am drinking milk, which is an absolutely correct sentence. Okay, now I feel that I should ask a poll to you all. Yes, so it is poll time. Listen to the question carefully. You will be able to read the question on the screen as well, and let's see how many of you answer it correctly. Okay, kids? Okay. So the question is, I'm going to share a sentence with you all, and what do you have to do? You have to read the sentence carefully and tell me whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. Now what you're going to do, you're going to click on the correct option, correct or incorrect. The sentence is, she going to the park. She going to the park. Now if you think the sentence is correct, then go for option A, that is correct. If you think it's wrong, then go for option B, that is incorrect. So read the sentence, try to recall what you learned and then answer. She going to the park. Okay. Yeah, please click on the correct answer, everybody. I want everybody's responses. Yes. Okay, kids. So the correct answer is option number B, which means the sentence is incorrect. Why? Helping verb is missing. And we cannot create a sentence in present continuous tense without helping verb. So the correct formation should be, she is going to the park. Okay, kids? Now we are going to continue the learning and understand with which subject we put is, am or are. Okay? So we will understand their combination now. Remember subject verb agreement. We are again going to talk about that agreement. So I had told you this in previous session as well, but I'm going to repeat this for everybody. So please listen and understand it. Okay? So the sentences which start with he, she or it. It is used for non-living things and for animals as well. Okay? Basically, when we are unsure about the gender, that time we use it. So he, she, it. Which helping verb we are using with it? We are using is. Great. With I, we always put am. And with words like, with subjects like you, we, they, or plural person name, place or thing, that time we put are. Okay, kids? Have you all understood this formation? Yes? Let's look at the other part of the sentence, where we are converting an action word into ing form of action word. Right, everyone? Okay. Playing, play plus ing becomes playing. Right? Similarly, think plus ing becomes thinking. Go plus ing becomes going. Okay, kids. Now, as we have understood about this combination and then the ing form as well, let us continue with an example. Now, we need to understand how to create it. We got some examples, but we are going to have a look at it with the help of a sentence as well. Okay, there are two examples. We go for a picnic. We go for a picnic. I'm talking about a habit. Okay? Now, by adding ing, go plus ing became going. Now, we going for a picnic is a wrong sentence. What will it be? We are going for a picnic. This is a perfect sentence explaining what we are doing in the present. Right, everyone? What is happening now? Great. Let's have a look at another one. Look, let's have a look at another example. I read a book. Read plus ing, right? What does it become? Reading. I read a book means I'm talking about a habit that I have. I have a habit to read. But when I am adding ing in that, I need to put am after I, because this am will help me to create a sensible sentence, to create a sentence with correct formation. Okay, so always remember, helping verbs are very important in the sentence. We even need to make some changes in the action word based on that. That is why it should be I am reading, not read. Okay, same happened in the poll as well. Yes? Okay. Mr. David washes the car. So this is Mr. David's routine habit that he washes his car. Okay. Now we want to tell that he is doing it right now. So what will I say? I will simply add ing with wash. And I can say that Mr. David is washing the car. Right, everybody? I hope you all are able to understand it. Yes? Great. Now I feel like I should ask some more questions to all of you. So this is checkpoint to confirm that you all understood the topic well, where we have understood is, am, are plus ing. Yes, we have understood the usage of it. So let's answer this checkpoint. What do you all have to do? You have to give your quick responses in the comment section so that I can keep checking that yes, you're getting it. Okay. They is enjoying the meal. If you think the sentence is right, then write R in the comment. If you think it's wrong, then write W in the comment. Some quick responses, everybody. Come on. They is enjoying the meal. Right or wrong? R or W? Come on, everyone. Yes. Okay. R or W? Right or wrong? Come on. Yes. They is enjoying the meal is an absolutely wrong sentence, because with they we put R, A-R-E. So it's wrong. W. Yep. Next checkpoint. I am falling down. I'm falling down. Right or wrong? R or W? Come on, everybody. Yep. R or W? Right or wrong? I am falling down. If you think the sentence is correctly formed, then go for R. Otherwise, write W because it's wrong. Think and answer. I know my YC kids can answer it, but yeah, still, I want to know. I want to actually see how many of you get it correctly. Yes, I am falling down. Right or wrong? So it is a right sentence. R. Thumbs up for all those R's in the comment. I am falling down. This is the correct formation. We put am after I. Great. Moving on to the next one. We are saying truth. Right or wrong? We are saying truth. R or W? Yes. R or W? Right or wrong? It's a big yes. It's a big R. Right sentence. We are saying truth. We are putting R after we. We is a plural subject. So we are going good. Yes. You just need to remember this formation. You need to remember that you need to put ing after action word. Now, at this point, you must be feeling that, okay, topic is done. There is one small thing which is left, which I'm going to teach you in the next session. Next session is also going to be full of fun. You're going to get a story, plus I'm going to tell you the rules of ing spelling. Rules of ing spelling? So yes, sometimes we change the spelling by just adding ing of the word. We need to make some changes in the action word to put ing. So I'm going to teach that to you all in the next session. So stay tuned. We are going to enjoy with the story plus those rules. One more question, everybody. She are helping everyone. Right or wrong? R or W? Yes, everybody. Okay, R or W? Right or wrong? She are helping everyone. Okay. Yes, option number R. It's a right sentence. No. Okay, sorry. So I just wanted to see that whether you just agree to me to whatever I say or you actually think as well. So this sentence is a wrong sentence. It's W. With she we use is as a helping verb, not are. Right? When do we use are? Can you mention those subjects? When do we use are? With you, we, they, or any plural person name, place name or thing name. Wonderful, everybody. You all have done it super amazingly. Thank you so much for being so energetic. You put actually energy in me to conduct the session. Knowledge. I'm going to share an information with you all, that is fact of the day. So the fact is, pineapples, you must have heard about the fruit pineapple. So let me tell you that pineapples take 2 years to grow. Can you imagine 2 years to grow? The way you all are growing in each session, they also grow every day, like in little, like they grow slowly, but yes, they grow well. Similarly, you are also growing slowly, you are also growing well. Pineapple take 2 years to grow. This was fact of the day. And now I'll meet you in the next session with some more learning and the fun. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye everyone.